Welcome back, y'all. I'm out here in Michael's Smokehouse just cooking us up some wonderful light delights to eat when he gets home. This next recipe that I'm going to share with y'all was shared with me by one of my old childhood friends. Her name is Carolyn Cundiff, and the recipe is a strawberry gelatin cheesecake. Now I'm going to start by using 2 small packages of sugar-free strawberry gelatin. All right, so I'm going to take 1 cup of boiling hot water, and I'm going to pour this over our gelatin and dissolve that. Now I'm just dissolving that gelatin in that boiling water, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of cold water. All right, now I'm going to put this in my blender. Making sure I get all of that gelatin out. Okay, now to my gelatin, I'm going to add 1 12-ounce carton of light cottage cheese. Whoa! Okay. So you can see where I'm going with this, can't you? I'm just going to blend that until it's smooth. That looks so good, I could just like stick a straw down in there and start drinking. All right. Now I'm using 2 pre-made graham cracker crusts. So I'm going to divide our gelatin between our 2 pie shells. You see how thin that is? But it won't be thin for long after we put these in the refrigerator and let them set. In fact, I've got some that's already ready in the refrigerator. Just going to sit these right here. All right, I'll put those in the refrigerator in a minute. But in the meantime, I want to pull out some that are ready. Look how good those look. I'm going to top these pies with fresh strawberries. You know, it really doesn't matter how you place them. You just want to put them in, you know, a nice layer. Carolyn and I, growing up, our parents were best friends. So every weekend, you know, our parents saw each other. They grilled out and had cocktails, and I can see them all together right now, just laughing and just enjoying being in each other's company. And Carolyn and I were just obsessed with jackstones. She and I would sit around for hours on end playing jacks. So when I was writing Just Desserts, I said, girl, you gotta give me a recipe for the cookbook. I've gotta have something from you that represents our childhood. So she said, I've got a wonderful recipe for a light gelatin cheesecake. She said, I would really love for you to have that recipe for your dessert book. So this is the recipe. I love you, Carolyn, thanks. I've taken another packet of sugar-free strawberry gelatin. I've added 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water to this. And now we're gonna pour it over our strawberries, and it's gonna congeal over those, and they're gonna be beautiful laying in that gelatin. So I'm just gonna divide this equally between our pies. Okay. Doesn't this look good? All right, now all we have to do at this point is put this in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it firm up. I've had such a great time with y'all out here today in the smokehouse. You know, it's almost been therapeutic for me to be out here with y'all, just you and me. And I tell you what, you know, the dish that I enjoyed most preparing today was my friend Carolyn's Jell-O cheesecake. And if you really want to put this cake over the top, you can smother it in whipped cream. And it's time for me to go, y'all. But as always, I send you love and best dishes from my kitchen to yours.